It's a cloud-based LinkedIn automation tool where you get to manage all of your uh, activities in regards to the LinkedIn and in regards to the email on a single place. Here we have the dashboard where you get to see day-to-day stats, how many invites going out, how many messages, how many emails. Here you get to see the conversation that are happening with the different prospects. You get to see the conversation and reply right from here. Here you get to see the stats like how many what is your social selling index on LinkedIn. Social selling index is sort of an algorithm for LinkedIn. So based on different activities you're doing across your LinkedIn account, LinkedIn evaluates on weekly basis your social selling index. The better number you get, the more visibility you get across the platform. Moving to the next section about setting up a campaign, we have three different type of campaigns. If you're just starting off with automation, the best would be for you to set up a network campaign. It's highly recommended because it allows you to warm up your account, so you can run your network campaign for the full 5 to 7 days, and after that you can move towards the targeted campaign, which could be either the sequence campaign or the flow campaign. Let's start a flow campaign right from here. Once you're done with opening the flow campaign, here we will be you will do the search either on the free LinkedIn account or the sales navigator. You can also run group post or the event campaigns right from here. Once you're done with the search, here I'm pre-populating existing flow. You will find inside your account. Here we have the tree structure, so where system will filter down the data based on the provided URL. After that, it will send a connect request with the message over here. You can make use of all these dynamic placeholders in your messaging. Then we have all these different triggers available inside the system. Then we have if connected trigger, where you get to it will keep on checking up to 3 days where the system how if the prospect has accepted the invite or not. If accepted within 3 days, it will execute the yes part where we are sending 3 follow-up messages. And in case if it is not connected within 3 days, after 3 days it will execute the no part. With the yes part, we have you can see the message. You can put the message content over here. You can also include PDF attachment, images, GIFs, and then we have you can also make use of high price. Right from here, again, you can make use of all these dynamic placeholders in your messaging. Here we have if reply trigger, where we are waiting up, we are checking for the reply. If the reply is not detected, it will send another follow-up message, and then another follow-up message down there. In case of no, here we are checking if the email exists. So if there is an email inside the system, it will send an email, so which will be sent from your connected G Suite Office 365 account. So you can connect inside the account section. You can connect your email account, any sort of email account that you're using. You can connect it over there, providing the IMAP credentials and SMTP credentials. And here you can put on your subject line for the email, and you can make use of all these dynamic placeholders in your messaging as well. Then in the no part, you are sending we have another email down there, and in the no part we are sending an email. If you're not connected with somebody and you want to send them a message, LinkedIn call it an email. It is the subject line, and here you have the content. You can make use of all these dynamic placeholders right from here as well. If you have to turn on any of your integration, you can turn them on right from here. Like I have a API added for HubSpot and High Level. You can turn it on right from here, and you can select at which step you would like to push data to the CRM. So let's say when somebody accepts your request, you would like to push the data, or when somebody replies, you would like to push the data to your CRM. And based on your selection right from here, system will push the data on the relevant CRM. Moving to the next section about the sequence campaign, where you select the account, and then here you have different options. You can run the search campaign. You can run the campaign by uploading a CSV file. You can also run the post campaign. So if you just put on the post URL, you can run the campaign right from here. You can run the group or the event campaigns as well. The benefit of the group and the event campaign is that you can send messages to the people on LinkedIn without even connecting with them. So let's get into the event campaign, and let me quickly look for a search URL for the event. or let's go to the group campaign here. You can paste the URL over here. So I have the group URL here. You can again turn on your integrations right from here, and once you hit the next button here, instead of selecting connect, we will select message. So because we want to send messages to the people who are in the same group. So here we select the message, you put on the content over here, making use of all these placeholders, or you can make use of the templates as well right from here. These are, or you can create the new ones. Then we have another follow-up message. Here you can select the delays. So let's say after 2 days you would like to send the next follow-up message. Then after another 3 days you want to send another message. After that you would like to do a profile engagement where you can like their post. So I would like to like any 2 posts, and then another follow-up message, let's say after 5 days. You can put the content over here, and then you can move to the next tab where you can like set up the campaign, select in New York, so in this case, or any time zone. You need to select the targeted time zone. So wherever whatever your target time zone is, you can select the relevant time zone. So in this specific case, this campaign will start 8 in the morning New York time zone, Monday to Friday. And here you get to see the overview of the different sequence we have set in our previous flow. That's how you get started with the campaigns. Thank you.